All right, folks, AG squared here. Short video for you all. Renter called me one day while I was on a beach enjoying my vacation. She told me, like, hey, my entire sink in the kitchen, it's soaked. And I felt terrible because I had a feeling of what happened. The thing is, in one of my other videos, I installed this brand new floor. I had to disconnect this dishwasher, take it out. And as soon as she told me what was happening, I think I knew the issue. And lo and behold, check this out. So most dishwashers are going to have what they call a drain pump to get the water out of the dishwasher. And they're going to typically either be completely hidden, or they're going to be connected to your garbage disposal if you have one, or connected directly to a pipe. So I see that pipe, that drain pump there. Look at this. It was disconnected, y'all. So every time she used the garbage disposal, all the food went from the sink straight out, including water. Every time this thing was turned on, all the water and food came out. So I feel terrible. I'm going to get her a mat, a tarp to hide all this unpleasantness. And I'll show you all right now how easy it is to install these. All right, folks. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our hose, and right where you see the output there, all I'm going to do is just connect it, y'all. It's that simple. Connect it in there. Make sure it's all the way in, like that. And these are going to have these metal clamps that you see here. And all you need is a flathead screwdriver. And we're going to grab ours here. And we're just going to tighten it. It does need to be tight enough where you do a pull test. You don't want that to come off. And that's on there nice and tight. And now I'm going to test it to make sure that the water doesn't leak. So we're just going to run the water. And what that's doing is it's filling the water in here, and it's coming out through this water pipe all the way down into our P-trip now. So here's no water seen coming, dripping. Let's run the garbage disposal and make sure that same thing, we're not getting any issues. And all that that's doing is now taking the water and probably getting it out. And again, the goal with this is you want your dishwasher drains to kind of create a little V shape so that you don't get all the food and water just coming out. Most of it's just naturally going to come down here anyway, but this does need to be connected. All right, folks, so while we have the dishwasher running, we're going to give it about 5 minutes or so to get enough water in there. And then we're going to click on the drain button that's right here. And we're just going to make sure that we don't see any active leaks. But yeah, that's it for this fix. If you found this content information, please consider liking it. And subscribe to my channel for more content around DIY projects, real estate, finance, and technology topics. Thanks, and until next time.